spank, hey.
We got Joey over here. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a ti.
You see?
Yeah, I didn't know you chill like that.
Alright. Welcome back to another video. We're with the boys, Joey and Jagger. Today's gonna be an exciting video. Today we are heading up to Mashimaro, aka Sean Rowe's shop. He is selling me a set of BBS E88 slicer specs. So yeah, today's like a super hot day. It's probably what, like 87, 90 degrees out. So this thing is super hot today. You can see right now, stock wheels and all that. Front lip is still intact, kinda. I jacked it up on like the second day that I had it. But there is the car. And here's how it sits right now before the wheels. So we will let you guys be updated on the way there. We're waiting on Chris right now. Of course, Chris is taking the longest amount of time on the day we're supposed to get wheels. So you know the vibes. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated with how the wheels look and how the installation goes. All right, we just rolled 4 deep to Sean's. This is Sean's car. He just put Apexes on his. This thing is so ridiculous. Something's being started in the back. Big brake kit.
Paint match carbon trunk.
That's, yeah, look at that. Paint match carbon trunk. Walk our son right there. So we're gonna get this going here in a second at Mashimaro's shop. This is full titanium Boma's exhaust. I believe it's valve too.
I mean, the beauty of it is right now, it doesn't have anything.
Alright, so we are in my car right now. Currently heading into Sean's shop to get the wheels installed. Welcome to the lion's den. Good? Alright. Here are the wheels being rolled out in front of the car. Gold face, polished lip. What do you think?
This is insane. He said he was gonna do it and he did it.
Here are the wheels, Chris and them, and the car gonna be jacked up.
You have a bolt in there? Put a bolt in there, like 1 or 2 threads in there. There you go.
That's so... Hold on, the front one's on. I'm gonna go around to see it. Is it just... Here's how the car sits right now. Just beef. Jesus Christ. That is so freaking insane. E88's on the car.
I love the car.
That is so insane. Here's the other side, still stock. This is the wheels right now. These are, I believe, 285 millimeter. These are Schmidt right here. Schmidt. Wild. Okay, that looks awesome. That looks crazy.
Damn,
There's the fitment.
That's perfect, though.
Dude, that is like that is wild in right there. These are once the springs and everything settles. That's insane. Alright, we are here. Look at the front on those. Here are the wheels as they sit. Here's the car as it sits. These boys have been talking the entire time. Chris just dropped his phone. That's crazy. That's crazy. And we are here. I'm posting it. Here's the front. And then also have the studs put on, Motorsport Hardware studs, and then JR Racing black chrome lugs as well put on. So all that is good to go. Check out the rear end on that thing now. Look at that thing. Absolute schmeat now. That thing is squatting. And in the front too, this thing's poking. This thing is looking mean. This thing looks crazy. Oh yeah. Brother. Oh, brother. Look at those things shining. Hard body. Dude, that is crazy. Bro, is this a Hot Wheels?
Yeah, this is Hot Wheels.
Wow, that's crazy. Lining up right next to his. It's a big difference. Big difference between mine and his, but eventually we're gonna get to something like that. Hands are all dirty. Brother. Jesus Christ, look at those. Here are the two cars. Look at that, Joey's in the back right now, look at the pivot.
You want to use that B14s preferably?
Yeah, I mean that works.
I'll just get you a few options.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Both whips. Thank you. Huge shout out to Sean. Like and subscribe for more content of this. On the curb at Burgermaster.
No cash in it.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. Now I got a chance to actually talk. So these are Slice Respect E88'S. We got gold face, polished lip, and I believe they're actually insane. The sun is doing me so dirty right now. But comment down below, what do y'all think of the car like this? This is just stage one. The wheel gap in the front is like super bad. Not super, it's like maybe 2 fingers. And then the back is like almost perfect. Maybe just go down like maybe, it's like, yeah, it's like almost 2 fingers there too. So gonna see maybe, I don't know, dude, some KWV3s or something like that. But thank you guys for watching this video and stay tuned for more.